Okay, we've got another lot coming up in our September 13th, 2023 online auction. We're All City Auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia, and of course you just seen the sign there. We use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. 2005 Ford F150 XL. And I want to say it's a extra cab pickup, but an extra cab usually to me denotes that there's a back seat, and there's no back seat in this one. It's just an enlarged regular cab. Anyways, you'll see that. I'll show it to you in the video. This is a government surplus vehicle, 2005, surplus from one of the local municipalities. It's equipped with a lift gate on the back end and an aluminum storage toolbox inside. A few marks and scratches on the exterior, a little dent there on the back corner, some scratches here. You can see some tape residue or glue residue from where they stripped their decals. Nothing really, no marks on the front. Corners usually are bumped. Oh, this one's got some scraping right here on the front bumper. A few more scratches there. A couple of scratches, another bigger one here right by the back fender well on the passenger side. Tires appear to be in really good condition. Michelins they look like, I believe. Yeah, they look like Michelins. Tailgate works. You know, so and I don't have my selfie stick with me, so I'm doing this like right close up. Sorry about that, guys. So there we go, and latching into place. Controls, they're not wireless, of course. Plywood deck on the inside there. You can see the tailgate there, how it's mounted. I'll open the passenger door, and then I'll open the other passenger door, and there we go. Two passenger doors to get into one cab, one seat. So seats appear to be in pretty good condition. A few paint stains, but I don't see any rips or tears, at least on the passenger side. Dash, you know, a few sticker residue, of course some small holes from where they removed their equipment and whatnot. I'll just wander over to the other side now and have to try and find the keys in my pocket. We don't usually leave keys in vehicles here because they do what's called auto lock. And okay, so now I'll go over here, driver's side, and here you go again. Two doors. I guess you can get in with one door open. And there we go. I'll fire it up. I gotta close the doors though. 133,104 kilometers on this one, 2005. So this is 15 years old. That's pretty good, I would think. Classified as probably a low miler. And of course I grabbed the wrong key from in my pocket. I grabbed the case loader key instead of the pickup truck key. All the warning lights are illuminated. Fires right up. All the warning lights go off, except for the seatbelt light. I'm sorry, I'm not putting on my seatbelt for just a little test. Of course, we drive them around our yard here. You know, we really don't get out of first gear. So, you know, it runs and drives, moves forward, moves backward, appears to stop. But, you know, they are a used vehicle, so expect maintenance and repairs. That's what we always say. I'll go pop the hood now for you. Oil pressure is good there, battery's good, fuel's good. It was a cold start. I did just drive it maybe you know, 20 feet to get it here. Now I'll pop the hood. I think it's a little V6. I can do that one-handed. Look at that. 4.2 liter V6. I'll just shut up now, let you listen to the motor. So there you have it. 2005 Ford F150 XL, selling to the highest bidder on our September 13th 2023 online auction. A bunch of other vehicles and equipment selling in that sale, plus some estate items. So it's a government surplus and estate auction. Highest bid wins. That's right, there are no reserves, no minimum prices. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.